Page 25, the popcorn man. Get to use the staccatos. Those are part of articulation, so I'll talk about those when I get to the articulation. Let's look it over. It's 4 lines long. It has a repeat sign, so it's really 8 lines long. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signatures, so 4 beats and a measure, and we got quarter notes all over everywhere with a whole note at the end. So let's make sure we get the notes and rhythms okay, and because here, for the most part, you're only playing one hand at a time, I'm going to take both hands together. So the right hand starts here, and the left hand starts here, so you're here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Not fun. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea? So you go through and get the hands working and get rid of any hesitations. Go as slow as you want to, it doesn't matter, but no hesitations. And then we think about the articulation, and that's where the staccatos, the little dots. I'm going to hinge at the wrist. And I'm on the key, and I'm simply bouncing off. We're going to play them short. And I come back on the key before I have the next one. Here, and the same thing. So in the second line, the last 2 measures here. See, I'm just real short little motions. Don't come all over everywhere. And that's the articulation. Till you get to the whole note, that's not staccato. You hold that down. Then the dynamics. Well, it's all melody, so it doesn't matter. It's mezzo forte, medium loud. Whatever you think sort of loud is, okay. And it's all about the same. Once you get familiar with it and you start interpreting, get into the music, if you want to vary that, you don't have to play the whole thing at medium loud. You get a little louder and softer as you feel it. You know, maybe when at the end of the second line, when things start happening a little more, you get a little louder. And then maybe you calm down a little bit at the end, come back down. It's just how do you feel it? There's no right or wrong here. Just stay in the area of moderately loud. Speed, brightly. I don't know, brightly? Well, it's popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, these are going to want to speed it up because of all the rests. But when you get to the last 2 measures of the second line, those are going to want to slow it down a little bit. So you got to find a speed that works all the way through. So how fast do you want to play the last 2 measures of the second line? However fast you want to play those, that's how fast you take it at the beginning. Now there is a note at the bottom. Repeat both hands 1 octave higher if you wish. If you wish. Don't have to. However, we could use the practice of moving the hands around, so I'm encouraging you to wish. Do it. So at the belt here, what we want to do is we're going to come up here. We're going to play both hands up here. Here. Well, we got to figure out how we're going to get this movement done, because the right hand plays here. There's no rest or anything. Well, at the end, you're going to lift up anyway, so as you lift up, you move. That's all. The left hand can stay there at first, and then as you're playing these notes in the right hand, then you can move the left hand up. You see, when we move, if possible, we would like to just move one hand at a time. You can't always do that. It gets tricky doing both hands at the same time. So it's nice to be able to just concentrate on one hand at a time. So we're concentrating on the right hand, get it up, and as it's doing its thing, then you can get the left hand up. So it's one hand at a time here, is what I recommend. Don't copy me. You take it and you make it yours. You get into it. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3. Feel these. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's easy to feel them when you're only playing on them. But like here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the natural accents. I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. There are no dynamics to speak of. I'm not going to worry about them. I will repeat it, and I'm going to go up an octave on the repeat. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just do it slowly together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, rest, 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 rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 4. 2, 3, repeat. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 4. Rest, 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 rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off.